What if I told you that by the end of this year, you could be making $10,000 a month, while AI does 90% of the work for you? I'm not talking about some get-rich-quick scheme. I'm talking about real businesses that people are building right now using AI tools that didn't even exist 2 years ago. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 AI-powered side hustles that are actually making people serious money in 2026. And the best part? You don't need a computer science degree, you don't need a massive following, and you don't need thousands of dollars to start. I'll walk you through each business model step by step, show you exactly what tools to use, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one is right for you. Let's get into it. The first business on this list is something I'm seeing absolutely explode right now: running an AI content creation agency. Here's the thing. Every business in 2026 needs content. They need social media posts, blog articles, YouTube scripts, email campaigns. The list goes on. But most business owners, they don't have time to create it all themselves. That's where you come in. With AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and specialized content generators, you can create a month's worth of content for a client in just a few hours. And businesses are willing to pay $2,000 to $5,000 per month for this service. Here's how you start. Step 1. Pick a niche. Don't try to serve everyone. Pick an industry you understand. Maybe it's fitness, real estate, restaurants, or e-commerce. When you specialize, you can charge more. Step 2. Create a content package. Offer something like 20 social media posts, 4 blog articles, and 8 email sequences per month. Price it at $2,500. Step 3. Use AI to create the content. Tools like ChatGPT can write the first drafts, Midjourney or DALL-E can create the images, and tools like Canva can put it all together. Step 4. Find your first 3 clients. Reach out to local businesses, use LinkedIn, or join Facebook groups in your niche. Offer the first month at 50% off to get testimonials. The math is simple. 4 clients at $2,500 each, that you are $10,000 per month. And with AI doing the heavy lifting, you're working maybe 15-20 hours per week total. The key here is that you're not just selling AI-generated content. You're selling strategy, you're selling consistency, and you're solving a real problem for business owners who don't have time to do this themselves. Business idea number 2 is perfect if you have an ear for audio: AI-powered voiceover and podcast editing. The podcast industry is massive right now. There are over 5 million podcasts, and most of them are run by people who hate editing. They record their episodes, but then they're stuck spending hours cutting out the ums, adding intro music, and balancing the audio levels. This is where AI tools have become absolute game changers. Tools like Descript can automatically remove filler words, Adobe Podcast can enhance audio quality with one click, and ElevenLabs can even generate professional voiceovers in any voice you want. Here's the business model. You charge podcast creators $200 to $400 per episode for editing. If you land 10 clients who publish weekly, that's $8,000 to $16,000 per month. But here's where it gets even better. You can also offer voiceover services for YouTube creators, course creators, and audiobook producers. AI voice generation is so good now that you can offer 10 different voice styles without ever recording your own voice. The setup is simple. Step 1. Learn the tools. Spend a week mastering Descript, Adobe Podcast, and one AI voice tool like ElevenLabs. Step 2. Create sample work. Edit 3 to 5 demo podcasts, or create voiceover samples to show potential clients. Step 3. Find clients on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or directly reach out to podcasters in your niche. Step 4. Scale by systemizing. Once you have the workflow down, you can edit a 1-hour podcast in 30-45 minutes instead of 3-4 hours like traditional editors. The people making real money with this aren't competing on price. They're competing on speed and quality. When you can deliver a fully edited episode in 24 hours while others take 3 to 5 days, clients will pay premium rates. Number 3 on the list is something that's absolutely printing money right now: creating and selling online courses using AI. Now, I know what you're thinking. The online course market is saturated, and you're right, for generic courses. But here's the secret. AI allows you to create hyper-specific, high-quality courses in a fraction of the time it used to take. Think about this. Someone spent 6 months creating a course about how to start a business. You can use AI to create a course about how to start a pet grooming business in suburban areas in 2 weeks. The more specific you are, the less competition you have, and the more you can charge. Here's how you build this. Step 1. Find a profitable niche. Look for problems people are actively trying to solve. Use tools like Answer the Public or browse Reddit and Quora for questions people keep asking. Step 2. Use AI to create the curriculum. ChatGPT can outline your entire course structure, write the scripts for each lesson, and even create quiz questions. Step 3. Create the content. Use AI voiceover tools for narration, screen recording software for tutorials, and Canva or AI image generators for slides and graphics. Step 4. Sell it on platforms like Teachable, Gumroad, or even Stan Store. Price it between $97 and $297 depending on the depth. Here's a real example. Someone created a course called AI Tools for Realtors and sold it for $197. They used AI to create all the content in 3 weeks. They made $50,000 in the first 90 days with zero paid advertising, just organic marketing on LinkedIn and Facebook groups. The beautiful thing about courses is that you create them once, and they can generate passive income for years. One course selling just 5 copies per week at $197 were $51,000 per year. Create 3 courses and you're looking at serious money. Business number 4 is incredibly lucrative right now, and almost nobody is talking about it. Building custom AI chatbots for small businesses. Every business is trying to figure out how to use AI, but they have no idea where to start. They're drowning in customer service inquiries, spending hours answering the same questions over and over. You can solve this problem for them and charge $3,000 to $10,000 per setup. Here's what makes this so profitable. Tools like Chatbase, VoiceFlow, and Custom GPT let you build sophisticated AI chatbots without knowing how to code. You can create a chatbot that knows everything about a business, answers customer questions 24/7, and even books appointments. The business model. You charge a one-time setup fee of $3,000 to $5,000, plus a monthly maintenance fee of $200 to $500. Let's break down the math. Just 2 new clients per month charge $6,000 to $10,000 in setup fees. Plus, if you have 20 clients on monthly maintenance at $300 each, that's another $6,000 per month in recurring revenue. Here's how you get started. Step 1. Master one chatbot platform. I recommend starting with Chatbase or Custom GPT because they're the easiest to use. Step 2. Build a demo chatbot. Create one for a fake restaurant, law firm, or real estate agency. Make it impressive so you can show it to prospects. Step 3. Target small businesses that get a lot of repetitive questions. Restaurants, law firms, medical offices, real estate agents. These are perfect clients. Step 4. Show them the ROI. If they're paying someone $15 an hour to answer phones, and your chatbot can handle 50% of those inquiries, you're saving them thousands per month. The key here is to start local. Walk into businesses, show them your demo, and explain how this will save them time and money. Once you have 5 to 10 testimonials, you can scale this online. And finally, number 5. Building a faceless YouTube channel using AI, exactly like the one you're watching right now. YouTube is still one of the best ways to build long-term passive income. But the old model of showing your face, being on camera, and editing for hours, that's optional now. With AI, you can create high-quality YouTube videos without ever showing your face or recording your own voice. Here's the system. Step 1. Pick a profitable niche. Some of the best niches for faceless channels are AI tutorials, productivity tips, finance, self-improvement, and motivational content. Step 2. Use AI to write the scripts. ChatGPT can write engaging, well-structured scripts in minutes. Step 3. Use AI for voiceover. Tools like ElevenLabs create voices that sound completely natural. Step 4. Use stock footage, AI-generated images, or screen recordings for visuals. Websites like Pexels, Pixabay, and Midjourney have everything you need. Step 5. Post consistently. 2 to 3 videos per week is the sweet spot. The revenue comes from ad revenue, affiliate marketing, and selling your own products. A channel with 100,000 subscribers and consistent views can easily generate $3,000 to $10,000 per month just from ads. But here's the real opportunity. If you create videos about AI tools, productivity software, or business services, you can include affiliate links and make even more. Some creators are making $20,000 to $50,000 per month, combining ad revenue and affiliate commissions. The best part? Once you have the system down, you can create a video in 2 to 3 hours that generates income for years. So there you have it. 5 AI-powered side hustles that can realistically get you to $10,000 per month. Let me be clear. None of these are get-rich-quick schemes. They all require work, consistency, and learning. But the difference between now and 5 years ago is that AI is doing 80–90% of the heavy lifting. You don't need to be a genius. You don't need a massive budget. You just need to pick one of these, commit to it for 90 days, and put in the work. My recommendation? Pick the one that excites you most. If you love creating content, start with the content agency or YouTube channel. If you're more technical, try the chatbot business. If you love teaching, build a course. The opportunity is real. The tools are available. The only question is, are you going to take action? If this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more AI money-making strategies. Drop a comment below telling me which business you're going to start. I read every single one. And if you want a deeper dive on any of these, let me know and I'll make a full tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.